Wednesday Addams is relocated to an academy for outcasts, where her psychic powers must expose a manipulated monster. This geographical map plots a sudden sequence of fatal nighttime attacks occurring in the forest surrounding the school. As the timeline tracks the accelerating frequency of these strikes, Wednesday pivots from social avoidance to an active investigation. Her expulsion placed her at the center of a ticking clock supernatural crisis. Wednesday conducts her investigation using emerging psychic visions. Physical contact with objects triggers sudden flashes of the past, revealing specific hidden details about the killer's identity and their victims. These visions uncover two specific datasets: the violent history of Nevermore and the physical anatomy of the monster. This matrix tracks the primary suspects, Enid, Tyler, and Xavier. Wednesday's paranoia makes her distrustful of those closest to her. Connections to secret societies and ancient Addams family prophecies obscure the truth, creating a landscape of misdirection. This supernatural web makes isolation dangerous, but makes trust a liability. By cross-referencing the monster's anatomy with school records, Wednesday identifies a binary threat: a physical weapon and a hidden master. This hierarchy identifies the creature as a hide, a biological weapon that only acts under the direct control of a human manipulator. Wednesday and her peers must combine their supernatural abilities to neutralize both the creature and its controller in the final battle. While the hide and its master were defeated, Wednesday's new alliances provide the foundation to face the threats still